Okay, boys and girls, I'm just going to very quickly put an order into pound JPY, which is a 7 pip sell scalp. And then I'm going to let it record because I need to do something for the guys, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what the trade is. But basically, we're going to be selling under here. It's a continuation of this move, and it's going to be for 7 pips. So leave that with me just a second. Let me just put the order in. There we go. So the order's in. 7 pips. I'm going to follow it up if I can, but ideally I want to back down onto this swing. And we are good to kind of go. Okay, so let's play this one out, and I'll talk to you about it when the trade's. Okay, boys and girls, job's now complete. Just make certain I've got my tickets off. We're looking for a 7 pip move. There you go, 35 quid. Right. So today was how do I put this? Right. Let me kind of show you. Kind of did this for Timo. So if I pull this in, yes, we're listening to real good music today. A bit of silent running. Rejoice the Sun if you're into folk music. Classic. And then if you want to see some legs giving it some, we got middle of the road, Samson and Delilah. Fantastic. Right. Bulls and Bears. Yep, saying the same thing. Well, I'm already out of it, kid. So I did this for Timo, as I was saying, and the way it worked is did the markup for them, did the bias check, told them exactly what I was doing inside of that, and then I traded it. Okay, and just so we can see where it actually all started, it started here, and there he is there. Little you kind of get angry with Timo. He's got such a lovely little face, right? But we're discussing it there, and he asked me what I was doing today. It was pound JPY. Okay. So, from here, what was the trade idea? Where did this trade came from? Well, it was actually a very simple trade. You know, once you've got all your levels into play, you know exactly where you're going. You're going from one to the next to the next. Now, that's what we are achieving. But you got a high, you got a low high, a low high. So the market was constantly going in waves, pushing on a downward trajectory. However, this is a high, a low to that. So this section may well be a burnout. Could be sort of seeing a final flush before it resumes its main trend. Because if you go out to 4 hour, and you start crunching this thing up, and certainly into the daily, the main trend is up. Okay, so therefore you've got to be very well aware. Now, when you're day trading, you go in with a non-bias, you sort of market neutral, if you like. So what I was playing on was, well, it's been at that area twice. That's where I'm going to target. It's safe. It's an extended market, so I'll downgrade the target slightly. That's where 7 pips came from. And I was just going to carry on the break of that, run it to the base of these, and then be out. That's it. You know, it's not a difficult trade. And as you can see, it's pushed down. It's stopped pretty much on the money, and then it's gone back up again. Okay. Where's the difficulty here? Now, one of the questions I get asked all the time is, well, how do you get in? Where do you get in? You can get in any way you like. Once you've got that direction in place and you've got conviction, so at the time, I've got conviction, I've targeted it correctly, so I can see that. I'd also worked out, is it worth it? Because it would have gone to the highest swing point if I was wrong. And if it broke through that swing point, it was going to the very top of the first move that I showed you on the sort of the high point where it was dropping down. It could run all the way to the top of there. I had to be careful. So let me quickly show you that swing point. So on a 15-minute chart, we've got a protection here, got a protection there, and a swing. If it gets through that, it's coming to here, but more likely it's running up there. And if it runs up there, that's a mile away, not worth it. But I'm prepared to stage up to there, to there, to there, to there, and then gone. Okay? So it makes the trade worth it. All right? And that's it. Once you've planned your trade out and you understand what you're doing, the job becomes so simple. So simple. And that's it. Now, if you want to see how I trade, if you drop in the link on BlackBull, there is an offer at the moment where you'll get my modules free. Drop the link, it'll show you that, how to get it, because BlackBull will actually pay it for you. But other than that, if you're on the website, that's where you find my contact details. There are a lot of copycats out there pretending to be me. It ain't me. All right, I never contact you directly unless you've contacted me first, and then I'll carry the conversation on. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, C Trader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.